do another seance-like thing really quick and have everyone sway and follow my voice. All right. Alright. I open the door. Oh, fucking got it soon. I literally just put these strings on.
He's got a fucking. Someone's got assassinated.
Neil Diamond guy knows too much.
Yeah, he does. He really does.
Yeah, well, you can have it. Yeah, very it's not used. Here, take it. Take it top practice and top of it. And can you pour anyone as well?
If anyone didn't know, I was saying ham. Okay.
One more ham.
Hell no.
Yeah, you pour yourself first. You deserve it.
If you know this, alright. First song called Endorphin Orphan.
looks so cute.
I open the door, stare directly at the floor, observing a specimen of urban folklore. I spied the endorphin orphan, I cried the endorphin orphan, I sighed the endorphin orphan, I lied the endorphin orphan, I couldn't believe my eyes wide open. It lies in front of me, it cries. Wow, wow, wow. I spied the endorphin orphan, I cried the endorphin orphan, I ride the endorphin orphan, I sighed the endorphin orphan, I left the room and hopped on Zoom to observe a plume of putrid gloom. I spied the endorphin orphan, I ride the endorphin orphan, I died the endorphin orphan, I glide the endorphin orphan, now I stand alone on foreign land with less pubic hair and my left old hand, I spied the endorphin orphan. Cool, thank you guys. Alright, the next one's called, I made this 2 days ago. It's called Mental Masturbation. I don't know what that could be about. Alright, pardon me if I start getting shit wrong. Let me see if how it is. Okay. God, I love mental masturbation. It's making me late to my 2 a.m. appointment with God. Oh, I love thrashing my fishing rod. Oh, I hate grabbing my fishing rod. We all poking pride. Oh fuck, sorry. We all poking, we all poking pride at the soil till it turns to sod. We all poking pride at the soil till it turns to sod. God, I hate mental masturbation. It's making me late to my 2 a.m. appointment with God. Now I hate grabbing for my fishing rod. Now I love grabbing for my fishing rod. I scheduled with a guy who looked like a cod. We all poking pride at the soil till it turns to sod. We all poking pride at the soil till it turns to sod. fishing with God. Now I love grabbing my fish in the rod. Now I hate grabbing my fish in the rod. Now I love grabbing my fish in the rod. Thanks. Does anyone have a pick for some reason?
What is it?
Oh, what? Oh shit. Okay. Nah, I'm good.
King. Wait, is it your dad?
Alright, this one's called Triangle Town. How's everyone doing?
Good.
Yeah.
That's true.
Thank God. What? Okay. Alright, this one's called, what is it called? Why am I forgetting? Triangle Town, sorry. Alright. These are mostly new songs too, which is good. Oh God. It's fucked. Alright, I'll do it. My missile goes farther than your grandfather. Who cares? Why bother? You silly little toddler. Oh, looking down this transparent ground, I saw your frown in the lost and found triangle town, trying to be round. I saw you. Keep trying to walk faster. Keep trying to walk faster. It's all gonna work. Just listen to the big old jerk. Now we keep on talking. Wait. Now we gotta talk about all the stars in this town. Now we gotta start talking about all the stars in this town. Triangle Town. Triangle Town. Triangle Town. Triangle Town. Keep trying to walk faster. Keep trying to walk faster, but it's all gonna work. Just listen to the big old jerk. Now we gotta start talking about all the stars in this town. Now we gotta start talking about all the stars in this town. Thank you guys. Can I take this off real quick?
Take it off.
Thank you. Thanks again, Jasper, for playing a song.
Thank you, Jeff.
Okay. You guys have a favorite road in Philadelphia? Does anyone have a favorite road in Philadelphia?
Kelly Drive.
Oh! Ah!
Whoa. Great minds.
Used to be Broad Street. I got Broad
Hey! Sorry, I was telling that looking
I like
upward.
Broad Street.
Nugent.
Overall.
Shout out Broad Street.
I got work
Yeah,
in
those
that.
speeding
Broad
cameras
Street,
have ruined it.
They really do.
I love
North
it.
Broad.
Yeah, I wouldn't know. I don't live here anymore.
Is this, what is this, 17?
Yeah.
Dude, I want to I can't do that.
Guys, this one is called Scarf.
Yes.
Yeah. You guys want a scarf?
Yes.
Alright. Okay. You want a scarf today, but you don't know the dimensions around your neck, but I do. 'Cause I stole them from you yesterday. Your eyeglass prescription was a clue. It said 2 times 2 equals the distance around your neck. But hey, listen to the clue, and I'd have to tell you. Now we'll make some stew. Flowers, they are blue. We'll mix them 2 by 2, and I'll sprinkle in some blue. Now we'll make some stew. Flowers, they are blue. We'll mix them 2 by 2, and I'll sprinkle in some blue. You want a scarf today, but you don't know the dimensions around your neck, but I do. 'Cause I stole them from you yesterday. Your eyeglass prescription was a clue. It said 2 times 2 equals the distance around your neck. So listen to the clue, and I'd have to tell you. Now we'll make some stew. The flowers, they are blue. I'll mix them 2 by 2, and I'll sprinkle in some blue. Now we'll make some stew. The flowers, they are blue. I'll mix them 2 by 2, and I'll sprinkle in some blue. Alright, this one's called Changes. I watched your feathers change and grow. I watched as you turned into a crow. Changes make me want to turn into a cow. But I have no idea how. I was wondering if you could help me out. But I don't want to pout. I watched your feathers change and grow. I watched as you turned into a crow. Changes make me want to turn into a cow. But I have no idea how. I was wondering if you could help me out. But I don't want to pout. I watched your feathers change and grow. I watched as you turned into a crow. Changes make me want to turn into a cow. But I have no idea how. Just wondering if you could help me out. I don't want to pout. Thank you. Throw an adjective. What that made you feel like? Gassy.
Yeah.
Gassy.
So pregnant.
Gas X. Gas X. Gas.
Stick around.
Alright, this song is called Snot. It's a cover. It's a cover, huh?
Like Alex.
Yeah,
Oh, it's literally a cover.
Okay.
It's a fake cover.
That's always That's always what
It's shining, combining. I knew you way before you said it's 666. Then to make me sick, my love's coming from my snot. This one is called Billy. Wait, hold on a second.
The string?
Alright, this is called Billy. This is about my, what's it called? My elementary school friend. He's an asshole.
Fuck yeah.
Alright. Alright. Buried underneath your old playground sand is a letter from your old high school. The hand it says your cat is dead. Fuck Billy, shot him in the head. Now you don't know what to do about this tragedy. There is no textbook independent strategy. And now look at Billy for acting so fucking silly. Go to Billy's house, kill his pet mouse. Now you feel even worse for putting his mouse in a hearse. You go to your mom to confess that you put that poor little mouse in distress. Your mom says, "How dare you?" and shot you with a 22. Luckily your mom has a shaky hand. The bullet went straight into the sand and ripped the letter in half. You looked at each other and laughed. Then your cat walked right into the room. It says it has 9 lives. It's not dying soon. And luckily for the mouse, it's wearing a bulletproof blouse. Yeah, next one's called Streams, and that's basically it. And I also want to take a picture of that room because this is cool. This is a cool spot. Yeah. I gotta put in 0.5 or something. Oh, wait, everyone get in! Oh, I forgot about that shit.
Let me get it.
Wait, yeah, you get in.
That's so fucked.
I'm dying.
Okay, let's see. I'll do a wide style. Let's see, they got everyone.
It's good enough.
It basically got everyone. I think. I'll do one more like this.
I won't fucking count.
Wait. Over here. Wait, I'll do like this. Okay, I think it worked. Oh, that's fucked.
You got it. You
Okay.
got it.
Let's see. Okay, the last one is called.
Take the picture, Jasper. Just take the picture.
Yeah, Jeff, why don't you do something?
Alright, this one's improv. It's called. Oh.
Bro, you're my number one hater.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Alright. Alright.
Yeah, Ray's on next.
Yeah, alright.
Ray's gonna be
Alright,
reading
this
us
is
his
called
transcript.
Dream. It's about whatever is on my mind at the moment, and I'll go off of it, and I'll keep going, and nothing is
Yeah,
scripted,
keep going.
or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Alright,
Yes.
I don't, wait, let me see.
Can we sing along?
Yeah. Well, sing along. It's totally, but like, with the notes, like, you'll catch along. I want to see the night inside of the sky. It got too dry. For my taste, it won't cut anything. It gave me something to look at. I took it into the blacksmith. He said, don't even worry about how the ridges look like mountains in the sky. Leave it to die. Your brother is a mother too. About 3 kids. They look like twins. What the fuck? I saw that dog. That was what I asked them. Till it got into Hell yeah. Alright, thanks again. Which way should I go down?
Go down.
This way.
Get the fuck
Wait, I'll go this way.
Get out of here!
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.